keep getting that annoying 1105 error every time you fire up Discord on your computer? Hold on. No need to dial tech support just yet, because in this video, I'll walk you through some easy fixes for the problem. So let's dive right in and sort it out. Solution 1. Reset your network configuration settings. To do this, first click on the search icon here and type in CMD. Next, right-click on command prompt, select Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. Now here, type netsh winsock reset, then hit enter. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and hit enter. Now type ipconfig/renew and press enter. Type in netsh int ip reset and hit enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer and your router. Once your compiler boots up, check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Delete corrupted Discord files from your PC. For this one, first quit Discord from the system tray. Then click on the search icon here and type in run. Then click on run from the search result. After that, type in %appdata% and hit enter. Now, the Windows Explorer should open up. From here, go to the Discord folder and delete everything within this folder. Now, restart your computer. After your computer turns on, check if that did the trick for you. Solution 3. Use an optimized DNS. To do this one, open command prompt. Now type ping 1.1.1.1 and press enter. Doing this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. Next, type ping 8.8.8.8 and press enter. And this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of the DNS server. After you find out which DNS server has the lowest ping, go to settings and click on network and internet. Then click on Ethernet. Next, click the edit button next to the DNS server assignment. Now, select manual from here. After that, turn on IPv4 if it's turned off. Now, on the preferred DNS box, add the DNS with the lowest ping and move on to alternate DNS. Here, if you're using 1.1.1.1 DNS server, type 1.0.0.1. But if you're using 8.8.8.8 as your preferred DNS server, type 8.8.4.4. Lastly, click on save and then restart your computer. So that's how you fix the 1105 error in Discord from your PC. If the video helped you solve the issue, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks a billion for watching.